Wow, look at this. Haven't seen this in a long, long time. Clear skies. Pretty much a really remote chance of any rain today. So it should be a camp out. With the usual suspects, of course. Swamp Camper's still setting up camp. He's going to stay behind while we go for a hike. You sure you don't want to go, Swamp Camper?
I'm good.
All right.
I'm good.
We'll see you. Behave. You know, Campfire Steve, when I drove in here today, I made a quick little video. I was like, I almost forgot what the blue sky looked like because of all the rain we've had the past couple of weeks. And it's beautiful, isn't it?
Absolutely.
That's beautiful, huh?
Oh yeah. I got a little fall color happening over there on the left.
Yeah, those swamp maples. Oh, and of course, you know me.
Sundew.
Sundews.
Beautiful.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
Yep. Very nice.
We're in what's called a cypress dome. It's a depressed area, a little bit lower than regular flat elevation. Has a lot of diverse wildlife in it. Pretty nice. Alright, Campfire Steve. This type of micro environment we're in right now, amidst the pines and the saw palmetto, what animals tend to be out here?
Probably the thing you'll see the most out here, or at least you hope to see, is rattlesnakes.
Both pygmy and eastern diamondback? Or
absolutely. There's room for both of them. So you'll see that, and of course it's because there's a lot of rodents that hang around the roots and such like that. And also you'll see pretty much anything that you actually see in the scrub right on the edge of the forest. I mean, look at that dense woods right there. Just because probably at one point this might have been clear cut or something like that. It's hard to say. But of course you'll see deer cutting through here. We're on a path now. That was probably a game trail. It kind of fades in the distance here, but it went for quite a ways. And of course you're going to have your coyotes, bobcats, things of that nature. Once again, we're just off the edge of the main forest, and that gives the animal better distance visibility so that they can hunt without having to extend, or rather expend too much energy moving.
Cool.
Yeah, basics. Speaking of the devil, I was talking about this was a game trail, and we have ourselves a deer print.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yep.
Nice print too.
Yeah.
Which way do we go? This way?
Yep.
Well, I've been talking about how much rain we had, and as much as I love swamp hiking, I have one pair of shoes, and I don't want to walk around the campground in bare feet. That's not good. So we're going to have to end this hike today, unfortunately. But maybe in the morning, maybe I'll come out here and splash around. We'll see. The horseflies are bothering Dale. Not bothering us though, right?
You're covered in permethrin.
Yeah. That's why we call him Bug
Bait.
Spray.
Bait.
Or Bait.
Chum.
Chum. Chumley.
Now we're going the other direction. Where'd you get the fire steel? Mike made it. Damn.
I think that's from Nathan. Nathan, the steel's from Nathan 4071.
Oh, okay.
Here, get,
You got some tinder?
yeah, I got tinder. Hold on.
Right.
I think you want to try to get this lit. See if you can get the jute lit. Try that. Like put the jute there. Kind of open it up a little bit with your fingers.
There.
Hold on. See if you can get the jute first. Or just throw some jute on
That's
top.
all it
Yeah.
is.
That's all
You
that
see
is?
that little
Yeah.
elders.
The back spline is exactly 90 degrees. It's made for fire steels.
Damn, I love these little
Want to give it a shot?
man.
You're better than I am.
No, I'm
No,
not.
you're the professor.
No, I'm not.
I just
Go
think it
ahead.
needs a little bit of this on top of it,
No,
and
it's
it'll
all-
start right
all-
up.
Just needs a little dry. And then you wrap it in this.
You need the jute.
And we got to get something to transport it.
Get one of those planks. We'll sit it on the plank. These planks are courtesy of my lawnmower. That's how they shipped it in.
Just there you go. Watch, a couple seconds. There you go.
There you go.
That's it, man. That's it. Nice job, man. That's all it takes. Elders, man. I'm telling you. I'm gonna get one.
It does a pretty good job.
You hang it up.
Campfire Steve and Swamp Camper doing the usual
Not near as bright as that.
gear reviews.
Yeah.
Nebo.
Tree batteries in there.
That is a nice lantern. One of my favorites.
That's impressive for one.
Word up, right, Dale?
Shut up.
Nice. Quiet morning. New day. Well, the rest of the crew sleeping in, but I'm a morning person. Best time to be out walking around in the woods as the world and the wildlife wake up. Looks like the sun's going to be coming up over that cypress dome right there. Nice, beautiful morning. First thing I look forward to after a night of camping is Steve's hot cider. It's the best stuff ever.
Oh, man.
It's so hard to find in the stores, but apparently Steve said you can find it on Amazon.
Perfect tartness.